A young woman worked for a merchant who lived on top of a hill. She had to walk down the hill every day to collect water from a stream. She had 2 pots to carry water, which she hung upon a pole and carried over her shoulders. One of the pots had a crack, but she still used it. The woman would fill them to the brim and walk back up the hill. By the time she reached the house, the cracked pot would only be half full. When the cracked pot saw water filled to the top in the other pot, it began to feel desolate. After a few years, the cracked pot spoke to the lady. "I apologize for my flaws. I spill half of the water. I'm of no good." The lady replied, "As we return to the master's house, I want you to look at the path we traverse." The next time, the pot carefully observed the path up the hill. On his side of the trail, the pot noticed beautiful flowers growing in abundance, while the other side was still dry. The lady said, "I had always known about your cracks, and I took advantage of it to water those beautiful flowers along the way." Without you being just the way you are, the path uphill would not have this beauty. Every one of us is unique, and we all have our own flaws. It is our little quirks and faults that make us and the world so interesting.